Text sizeDreamstimeThe the morning after Novavax released data on the first human trial of its COVID-19 vaccine. The stock is soaring and analysts are saying that the data looks extraordinarily promising. Shares of Novavax, ticker NVAX, briefly crashed on Tuesday night amid confusion over the safety data from the trial. But in the clear light of day Wednesday morning, shares of Novavax surged 15.1% to $181 per share. The stock is up more than 4,300% so far this year. In a note Wednesday morning, Cantor Fitzgerald analyst Charles Duncan said Novavax's COVID-19 vaccine appeared to be more than viable, dare we say, class-leading. J.P. Morgan analyst Eric Joseph said it's not too far a stretch to conclude that the neutralizing antibody activity of the vaccine looks best in class. Joseph upgraded Novavax to Overweight from neutral, and set a price target of $275. Both analysts warned, however, that it remains challenging to compare neutralizing antibody activity between the various datasets coming out of early COVID-19 vaccine trials. In its statement Tuesday, Novavax announced results from the Phase 1 portion of the Phase 1/2 trial of its COVID-19 vaccine, a randomized, controlled trial of 131 healthy adults. The study found that all subjects who received the vaccine developed neutralizing antibody responses after the second dose. Reactions were generally mild. There were no serious adverse events. In a note Tuesday night, Evercore ISI analyst Josh Schimmer wrote that in a comparison of absolute neutralizing antibody levels between the COVID-19 vaccine trials that have read out so far, NVAX is a clear winner. But it isn't clear that that comparison is appropriate, or even that high levels of neutralizing antibodies would necessarily correlate to higher degrees of protection from the virus. Novavax's vaccine is based on a far more proven technology than the messenger RNA-based vaccines under development from Moderna, MRNA, and Pfizer, PFE. No messenger RNA vaccines have ever been approved by regulators. The Food and Drug Administration has approved adjuvanted subunit vaccines like the one Novavax is developing. Given the tried and true nature of adjuvanted subunit vaccines, we suspect this program will emerge as a preferred option for many, with intense efforts to accelerate scale-up, Schimmer wrote. Novavax has received $1.6 billion from the U.S. government to develop its vaccine. It plans to run a Phase 3 trial of the vaccine later this year. Write to Josh Nathan-Kazis at josh.nathan-kazis@barron's.com.